What up, guys? So I came back from a local breeder's house, and you can't really see it right now, but he was able to breed blood parrot convicts. So I picked up 4, and they're stressed out. I'm about to put some in my tank, and I'll show you guys later. But blood parrot convicts, if you guys ever seen a blood parrot convict, this guy, he breeds a lot of weird hybrids. So what up, guys? Welcome to my crazy tank. A lot's changed, like I said. I traded a lot of fish for 150 gallons, but it's mostly blood parrots now, and a lot of orange. I only have like maybe one tomato Victorian, one electric blue fryer eye, and then the rest are Victorian females, Geophagus hecklei, and then the rest are beautiful, beautiful blood parrots. I love them. Here's my awesome bass. I know it's pretty dark. I just turned off the light. There's my Frontosa. Now I am going to add the hybrid blood parrot convict. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm just gonna catch it with my hand. Here we go. Wow, pretty dark. That is a blood parrot convict. Pretty weird, huh? I got 4, but I'm gonna throw 3 in. So not only do I have blood parrots, I have a blood parrot convict hybrid. Not bad, not bad. The color is supposed to be pretty cool. Better. I'm gonna give it pellets. He's hiding right now. He's exploring in the back. Let me catch some more. Let me catch this one. There we go. Second one. Going in. Convict blood parrot. What a weird hybrid. Since I lost all my cichlid and I traded it, I might as well just get some weirdo oddball fish. So there's a second one. Now I'm gonna throw the third one in and be done with it. Boom. There's a third one. Yeah, 2 of them right there. Little oddball fish to fill up my tank. Yep. Little oddball fish to fill up my tank. Pretty cool. Well, that's the blood parrot convicts. They should be coloring up pretty nice. Yeah. Yep. I'm trying to weed out all the cichlids now, I guess. There's another one in the back. First one I threw in. That really looks like a convict with a blood parrot body, though. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed my weird oddball fish and my 150 gallons from what it's become to what it is now. Mostly blood parrots. Come on, guys. Yes. Alright. Later. devil. About to breed him. Platypus. Monster tank looking good. Uh-oh, who's coming? Big badass Giardini. Golden. Australia. Oh, look at this pike. Photobomb. Scavenger ass pike. Yep. Welcome to the monster tank. I didn't even show the whole thing yet. Didn't even show the whole thing yet. It's not even ready. It's not ready. I'm gonna breed this guy again soon. This pike, I wanna get another pike. This Giardini. He's big. This catfish. Damn it. Alright guys, here's a little pretty albino diggly eye. Some pretty peacocks. Look at that. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Look at that. Nice color. Ooh, look at that. There's more. Wait, there's more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't even feed them yet. There's some more. Ooh. Ooh, more. Wow. More. Pretty fish. Just a little something to start the day off, you know, when you're feeling like down. Just look at all these pretty colors and be like, damn, turn that frown upside down now. Look at all these pretty colors. Time to turn that frown upside down. Now my day can't be bad. Look how these pretty guys are. These guys are so pretty. How can I have a bad day now? Oh. How can I have a bad day? Look at that. Pretty ass colors. Let me just leave it right there. Pause. Pause. Oh. Alright, that's enough.